In this video, we'll be replacing the spark plugs in a Subaru Outback. First thing that you need to do is remove the air filter box and the intake tube. So you just pull that tube off, and that box is being held down by two 10mm bolts. Then you can just pull off the spark plug wires. There are 4 of them there in the front. Then you're going to need a 5/8 inch spark plug socket to remove those. You want to check those spark plugs, make sure there's no oil on them, there's nothing that's been leaking. Before you put the new ones in, you're going to add a little bit of aluminum anti-seize on the plugs. This will just make them easier to get out the next time. You want to insert those by hand and start to tighten them before you put any kind of a wrench on there so that you don't strip them. You're going to do them hand tight and then just turn them about 3/4 of a turn to tighten them. You don't want to over tighten them. And you're going to put a little dielectric grease inside those plug wires. That just helps with connectivity and also any water that might get in and prevent it from happening. Then you'll put that air filter box back in and attach the intake tube to it and reconnect those two 10mm bolts, and you're all set.